to the fading light of day. Find a living boy, someone to take your breath away. Beautiful child.
Okay, can you hear me? My breathing is going to sound like Darth Vader down here, ladies and gentlefolk. I'm going to try not to look at the floor. Got lots of interesting bits of metalwork this side now. Exploring the woods tunnels. And we're also going to have a game of bogies. Bogies!
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 Yoo-hoo!
Bogies! Shalom, people. Shalom. Shalom, Jackie. It's very dark. We could be lost. We could be lost. We don't think we're lost. It smells like poo.
Smells like deep underground.
Yeah, definitely smells like we're deep.
With these strawberry
Shit's
blondes.
deep, bro. Shit's deep.
We've got plenty of strawberry blondes around us as
Yeah,
well.
there's loads of strawberry blondes around here. Not gingers. Strawberry blondes.
I didn't see all them.
These floors, guys. Gotta be ultra careful now. Do you think someone got fucking lost and tried ramming the fucking way out? Oh, it smells like poo. Oh, it smells like poo.
Smells like feces.
It smells like human faces. Human faces. We've just come in down the left hand side and we're coming out down the left hand side. Down the right hand side. Deary me. But yeah, we never thought we'd ever get to see these. Somebody told us they were sealed. Liar.
There was an incident here.
Liar.
Apparently.
She's lying.
Jiminy up.
Shimmer.
Jiminy.
I know it's like very repetitive. Ooh, we won. Ooh.
Keep an eye on where you stand, Joey.
I've heard me knee, mate.
Weet je niet?
Heard me knee, mate.
Oh shit, we're stuck down here. It's me.
We've lost our way out. We can't get out.
There's no entry.
Oh, shit like this down here. That'll work. To be brutal, I've seen better. It's very like Ryland tunnels, but with less water and piss smell, which is really surprising, to be honest.
Right, we didn't go right. It says turn right here.
It says turn right on them all, mate. It's all the same. We're gonna fucking find a way in and out, yeah? No matter what.
You just gone past the way in.
Have I?
Yeah.
Where?
Behind us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. We've not been this side though, have we?
That's what I was saying, really. No?
Still not seen all these little portraits on the walls. Though. Have you?
No.
Well, I don't think we're that far yet, 'cause we've not come across these fucking fingers yet. The entrance and exit's here. This is us getting lost. This is us getting lost. So can we have a thumbs up for getting lost? A thumbs up for slipping on my ass. There's the way out. I can see the daylight. I can see the daylight. Let's left. Do the left thing again. Stay left. UK style, stay left. It's that a big fucking. Wow, is that? What's that? It's a pillar, isn't it? A post. I'm sweating. My cakel's out, mate. Still not seen any pictures on the wall.
Asbestos.
It's getting wet.
Yep.
We're getting wet. This is just going to go the other way, the same, isn't it?
Yeah. I reckon so.
I reckon at the very far side of it's going to be them pictures, isn't it? Aye. Sweating. Sweating underground. Turn right and then duck.
This is number 5.
Telling me to duck. What for? Because I can stand fully up here. Oh. Oh.
It's been filled in, hasn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
There's one. We have to one.
That's one. So we went the wrong way.
Turn right, number 4.
Turn right. So we turning left because we're fucking rebels.
Look at that.
Rebels. Rebels. We're being rebels. Rebels to the cause, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Shit. Water. I bet that's where the pictures are now as well. The cock. Oh, it's not, it's fucking gears. Gears of war. It's in water now, I think.
Go down, go left. Just have a look, see on that wall.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's a puddle in it though. There's nothing in there, mate. Just a puddle. What's in front of there, bro? Because other than that, we're just staring at your ass walking through.
What gives you as a bit?
Well, apparently not as much as Phil's. Apparently they really loved Phil's bum and all wanted to bum him. I said, put a like if you like Phil's bum. And 7 people liked it. Now you 7 people who liked it had a little bit, you know, Mo, aren't you? Like a bit of bums used, don't you? Now this looks like it's burning now. Doesn't it? Stay left, stay left. Oh, toilets. Toilets with buckets, bro.
Okay, now. Oh, it's getting horrible there now.
This is the end. This is the end. Well, where the fuck are all these other fucking portraits? Do you know what I mean? Ah. I've seen one drawing, bro. On the wall. Have you?
Yeah.
I've seen one drawing.
Doesn't matter how entrances and exits there is, but they're all in black.
Yeah. This is finding our way out now. There's fucking shit dangling from the sky, yeah. Got roots on the fucking wall, man.
Lift and lift.
And where are all these fucking little fucking artistic things then? I've got one. We've been both sides of it here as well, haven't we?
Near enough, yeah. There's just one side that we haven't seen.
Yeah, coming back now.
Yeah.
There's nothing to see one drawing on the wall. There must be some more of it. There's that water bit. Bastards. You bastards, mate. Right, we're going to stop this. Oh, just when you think they're not there anymore. Right, oh. These were actually impressions of some of the people that were down there.
ILG.
So